Greetings, my dear viewers. You are on Robbie Fletcher channel, and that's me, Robbie Fletcher. The new PROSNIPERBOT update is out now. The version 4.0. Check out the rest of the video. I've got a little surprise in there for you. About updates. The pink cell field has been added. You can use it to track the pre-sale addresses on pinkcell.finance. Now you can insert Poocoin, BSC scan, address scan, Pancakeswap links into token fields. The bot will automatically select a contract from the link. Thanks to the new cycle function, you can run the bot to trade in a range of prices. Added passed by method and passed only method. When you click on passed by, the bot will check the token address in your clipbot, paste it, and make a forced buy on it with the current bot settings. That's the GVEI, max gas, slippage, etc. I want to remind you that the PROSNIPERBOT team regularly supports the bot and releases updates for it. If you run an old version, you will be notified that there is an update and you need to update. With the click of a button, everything will be downloaded for you. Also, you can trade any currency, install BNB, Ethereum, Matic, KCS, OKEX or Avax to trade. PROSNIPERBOT has a 13-day trial period. You can use it for free and try to make money with it. And here is the surprise. When you buy the bot at the developer's site, send a promotional code Fletcher December to the developer in a Telegram, and you will get a free 1-month personal RPC node, which will help you to reduce the delay with the servers. The promo code is valid for 15 users, so hurry up. Act. You don't need to think, you need to do. I believe in you. Together we will create a good crypto community. Have a good mood and confidence. Bye.